Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to generate AI characters for gaming or stories. If you want to generate your own AI character, so you just have to install an application from your Play Store app. Just open Play Store app and then go to search bar, and here just search for an application Face Swap Magic. Just search for it, and here you just have to install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. So just open the application, and here you will be able to generate AI characters for your gaming or stories. So just tap on let's start and then skip the ad first. After skipping the ad, just scroll down and choose the category you want. I'm going to choose this one, so just tap on it and then choose your favorite style. I'm choosing this one. Just upload your photo from gallery. I'm choosing this one. So after that, you just have to tap on generate your avatar. Just tap on it, and now after some moments, your AI character will be ready. Now skip the ad first, and then you can see I have successfully generated an AI character for my gaming or stories. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.